Conversations about spousal property always sparks a lot of interest. That is why on today's episode, I have curated a few questions related to the topic, which I will be answering. Hi, my name is Harriet. Welcome to Legal Moments. These are the properties that couples acquire during the pendency of their marriage. They will be up for distribution at the point of dissolving the marriage. It is important to note that spousal property does not include gifts and properties acquired before the pendency of the marriage. Under the 1992 Constitution, spousal property is deemed as joint property, meaning both parties have an equal share in those properties. Therefore, at the point of dissolving the marriage, the properties will be shared based on the common law principle of equality is equity, unless any of the parties involved is able to lead evidence to convince the court that it should share the properties on different terms. Most importantly, the position of the law when it comes to spousal property is that you do not need to have contributed financially to the acquisition of those properties before having an interest in them. The Ghanaian law says that family property remains family property. Therefore, if you enhance or renovate your spouse's family property at the time of dissolving your marriage, you cannot put that property up for distribution. Under Ghanaian law, you can only lay a claim for your portion of that property if you are able to lead evidence to show that there was every intention by both of you to purchase it together and own it together. Some of such evidence may include emails, receipts, text messages, etc. The more evidence, the better. Under Ghanaian law, in laying your claim to your interest in those properties, you must be able to establish that during your marriage, your partner was transferring spousal property to a third party with malicious and fraudulent intent. He or she had taken those calculated steps to ensure that when the time came, you will be denied your right of being able to have access to those properties. And if a court is swayed by your arguments, it might just rule in your favor. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Legal Moments. It's always exciting to come on here to share knowledge with you. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And leave us a comment in the comment section and a thumbs up if you enjoyed the episode. See you on the next one.